Hello students. In our previous module, we studied about biodiversity, ecosystem and consequences of deforestation. In this module, we will study about wildlife. The term wildlife means all the animals and plants which are found naturally in the forests and other natural habitats. The animals living in the natural environment like forests are called wild animals. These animals are not domesticated by man, whereas the plants growing in the natural environment on their own are called wild plants. The wild plants are also not cultivated by man. In our previous module, we discussed how due to human activities and interference, wildlife population is decreasing at a faster rate. We clear forests for our own benefit, which causes destruction of the natural habitat of plants and animals in turn. Apart from clearing forests, man is also killing animals for their bones, tusks, skin, etc. This illegal killing or hunting of wild animals is called poaching. Poachers hunt the animals for various things. For example, Indian rhinoceros are being hunted for their horns. They are used in making traditional medicines. Indian elephants, they are being hunted for their tusks to make valuable ornaments. Tigers are poached for their skin, which is used in decoration and clothing purpose. Indian pangolin is poached for its skin, meat, and to make armor. So, poaching poses a threat to the animal species. On the basis of the level of threat, we can classify animals into extinct and endangered species. Now, what are the extinct species? The species that have disappeared from the earth are called extinct species. Dinosaur and dodo birds are the examples of extinct species. These species became extinct because they could not adapt to the changing environment of our planet or due to over exploitation by humans. Second, endangered species. The species that are left in small numbers and are on the verge of extinction. They can vanish at any time. They are known as endangered species. Asiatic lion, leopard, tiger, these are some of the examples of endangered species. If proper measures are not taken to preserve and protect them, they might become extinct soon. Now the next category is endemic species. Endemic species. Apart from extinct and endangered species, there is another class of species called endemic species. Endemic species are the species that are densely populated in one region but scarcely available in other regions. Examples of endemic species in India are golden langur and Malabar parakeet. Thank you.